Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am kind of doing like a update. Slash like trouble. Excuse me. I'm dying. Slash a troubleshoot video for Streamlabs. This is with the comment that I got earlier today, which I'm displaying on screen right now. Viewer is having issues connecting or I should say linking the application for the Streamlabs Stream Deck app to the actual Streamlabs program on the computer. Let's see what it says here. It's the QR code. It's not scanning, and it says that that must be on the Wi-Fi, and make sure it's on the same Wi-Fi, but still won't scan. Okay. So I'm going to shoot some ideas their way, and if anyone else has an issue, which I think another of you actually had the same issue, see if these work. If none of these work, I will have a link down description for the Streamlabs, what do you want to call it? Essentially like a help thing, which I'll show you here. Hold on. The forms, that's the word I was looking for. Streamlab forms, and here you can actually get a hold of the people that make the updates and stuff that work on the software itself. And you can go here in the top right, create a topic once you've logged in, and state your claim, and they'll help you further assist you on helping you with your question or concern or issue, I should say, and hopefully it gets resolved if I haven't been able to help you. But first things first, obviously you're going to need the actual program installed. I also have a link down in the description below for you if you don't have it already installed, of course. Once that is installed, you're also wanting to go to your either Google Play or the Apple Store and downloading the Streamlabs Stream Deck. I got to do that right now. And then from there, once I download it, oh, it's not Stream Deck, it's remote. Or no, it's Streamlabs Deck. Never mind. Once both have been installed and set up and you're signed into your accounts, I'm kind of gonna go over kind of how to do it again, just so you guys know, which I gotta get my other camera for. But a quick thing before I set that up is a lot of the times it's an issue with an update or something like that. So usually what I do is if I have an issue, I try to uninstall the program and reinstall it. And if that doesn't fix it, then obviously it's not the program itself. There's something that's messed up further on into the program, or whether it be the app even too. But yeah, first thing I would try is either to try uninstall and reinstall, see if that works. If that doesn't work, the next thing you could do is checking to make sure that you're on the same network, which I don't see why that would have an effect. But then again, I haven't used this app in a while, and I'm not sure how they communicate back and forth. So that could be how they communicate back and forth, is them being on the same network. So a big thing to keep in mind, I'm going to move you guys over here so I'm closer to the mic, is that when you're setting up the first setup, you want to make sure that you've given all the permissions for the app, because if you don't, obviously it will clash with it operating properly. So in this case, it's asking me to use the camera on the phone, which I would click allow. Okay, so this is the QR stage. To sync, scan the QR code in the Streamlabs OBS, the full power of desktop app control right from your phone. Blah, blah, blah. And you also have learn more and then manual connection. I'm not sure what manual connection does, but I'm going to take a gander, and that's skipping this part where you're actually setting up another way. I'm going to try the QR code myself, see if it acts up. As you can tell, I am on the internet. Just got a text. And I'm on the same computer or internet network, as you can tell, because internet, which I don't think really matters, but like I said again, it could, because that's be a way on how they communicate with each other. But hopping back over to the desktop, where'd you go? Okay. I'm gonna scroll this up a little bit so you don't see dupes. Okay, so the first thing you want to go to is the bottom left where it has all these tabs. You want to go down here right next to very bottom. The settings, it's a gear looking icon. We're gonna click that, and then you want to go to where it says, I believe, remote control, which is the second to last one. And from there it says don't show this code on stream. Click to reveal your so this is going to be what sets everything up for you, so you don't have to fill anything in. And we're going to click that and see if this actually messes up. Went to sleep, taking a fat nap, guys. Sorry, hold on. Oh, there we go. So we're going to scan this guy right now. I'm just holding it up to the hello, holding it up, and it connected for me, which cool. So then I can click done, and now just go where I want to. Right now I'm in like my recording for what do you want to call it? YouTube, so I use a separate thing for it. So right now, like, I'm in the live scene on screen and showing on the deck itself that I'm in the thing. If I go back, it's linked up, seems. So it's definitely working for me, at least. Just for the hell of it. Yeah, so I don't know how to connect manual, but I'll find a video for you guys and put it in the description in case that doesn't work. But I'm hoping something helps. But yeah, it's basically how you set that up. And like I said, I'll have the forms link. I'll have a video on how to set it up manually if the QR code still isn't working for you for whatever reason. And kind of go from there. I'll do my best to help you from the comments too, and try uninstalling, reinstalling as stated before. I think what else, even it could be as simple as just signing out of your account and signing back into. That might even fix it, because I've had times where for some reason Streamlabs having issues communicating from Twitch to whatever and whatnot. See if that fixes it. That doesn't, double check your connections for both. Yeah, I think that's about all I can think of. And if that doesn't help, I'll have, like I said, Streamlabs forums for you guys to post your issues on there, where people can help you further. I'll also have the Discord link to the moderators and whatnot that you can also click on and get immediate help from them as well. So I hope this video helped in any way, shape, or form. I don't know if I helped you guys or just made it more confusing, but I wanted to get a video out ASAP for the 2 viewers that were having issues. And like I said, I'll do my best to help you guys from the comments. But other than that, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate. Drop them in the comment section. If this video helped, leave a like. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. See you.